Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alejandra and here we are back with the new video. Yay! I'm back guys, and before I start the video, I think you can see, sorry I have no makeup on today. It's a hot day today. I don't know if you can hear the fan, but I have it on because it's a little hot in here. But I wanted to say before I start the video is that with my YouTube channel, I've been thinking, and as you can see, I've been posting different kinds of things. At first, when I started the channel, I wanted to do beauty. That's all I wanted to focus on, but I think there's more I can do. There's more interest that I have than just beauty, and I want to share it with you guys. So I think my YouTube channel is gonna go more of a variety channel instead of just focusing on beauty. I want to do vlogs. I still want to do beauty and reviews, but I also want to do other stuff. And so for today, as you guys saw already, I think in the vlog video, I'm really big. I'm an ARMY, a really big fan of BTS, so I call myself an ARMY. And I will be going to their concert in May 4th, the stadium tour in Pasadena. So I'm really excited about that. So because I'm going, I knew I had to buy the Army Bomb, which is like it's a light stick that you take to their presentations when they're presenting and you're in the audience. You take them and they know you're an ARMY, and it's and I thought it was a perfect time to buy it. So I just received it in the mail today, and I thought I would do the unboxing with you guys. I just opened it like right now, but I just got it, and I thought it would be cool if I did an unboxing because I love these videos. And yeah, I'm excited. I got here, I ordered it on March 20th and it got here like March 25th, not even a week, and I just got it. I was gone that week, so I just went to pick it up today. But I was gonna open it and I was just so excited, and I was like, no, just wait, do an unboxing video. And yeah, so let's go. Okay, so as I open it up, there's just bubble wrap. It's really light. So bubble wrap. Guys, I love BTS. So this is, I ordered it from Big Hit, which is a company. I was looking at other sites, but I was scared that I wasn't going to be the official light stick. So I had been waiting. I had been going on to check on their website to get the official one, but it had been sold out. And then suddenly they said, hey, tomorrow the light sticks are back. So I went in a hurry and I bought it, and I think they're $30, but since it was shipped from South Korea, it was like $20 shipping, so it was like $52. But this is so worth it because I have it on time for the concert and I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the box. It says BTS official light stick, and this is one side, and it has the official sticker and BTS. Okay, let me open it up. Guys, I'm so happy. I can't believe I have one of these. I've seen it everywhere. Okay, so this is the light stick. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yeah, so it's like, it has a BTS, it's like the world, or no, it's not the world, but it has BTS. I don't know if you can see it. It says BTS. It's like this, and there's like little dots inside or something. And we have the on and off button. Oh, I think I have to buy batteries. Yeah, because this doesn't come So you open it from the bottom and the batteries go in here. So batteries. So this is the light stick. So you know they're singing, and as they're singing you go like BTS, BTS. Okay, so let's see what else it comes with. So there's this bag, and in here there is, so there's like the hand, the wristlet. It says BTS Army, and it also comes like with a bag for the light stick. And then I just had okay, calm down. Okay, so here's like the manual, how to put on batteries, and also I think I can attach it to my phone. It has it for like the app, and I can change the colors. And also, like if you take it to the concert, they sync it up and they put like everyone's army bomb the same color, and it's pretty cool. So I just saw this. So this is the other fun part about getting like merchandise and the light stick and the albums. It comes with like photo cards. And okay, so I don't know if you guys know, I think I said it, but this is RM. RM is my bias. That means he's my favorite of the 7. Even though I love all of them equally, I do. He just has a little bit of a, I have a little bit of a more love for him. So it has with the official version 3 earn point reward. So I have to use this, go online and use it. So okay, so we have RM. This is RM. He's the leader, Kim Namjoon. This is Suga, I love him. Min Young-hee, rapper. This is Jin, I love Jin, he's so cute. Jin or Kim So-jin. This is J-Hope, Jung Hosek. Jimin, Park Jimin. V, Kim Taeyoung. And last but not least, Jungkook, Jeon Jungkook. And those are all the cards. I'm so happy. So yeah guys, this is my unboxing, my first official version 3 light stick, and I'm excited. I have it. I can't wait to go to the concert. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye.